Alright, if you guys are wondering how to take off a headlight off a 2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse RS 2.4 liter or just the 3G Eclipse, the headlights are a little bit different. So what you're going to do is take these three 10mm bolts out. Then literally all you do is pop it off. I didn't know it was this simple, but you just grab it. Oh, whoops, and there's a connector actually right back here. If you look, that you just pull out. Once you have that connector off, you literally just grab it. Hopefully with two hands though, if you have two hands. And you just start to pull. It sounds bad, but nothing broke. So be careful, because this obviously is glass. So this headlight I got off a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS, and it still fits. It went in a little weird, but my hood still shut, and it was still flush. But obviously it was a little bit different. So all you do here is literally just grab it and put it back in. It's amazing how easy this is. What I like to do first is, well, mine already has the headlight in there. So all I'll have to do is just take off the connector off here and put it onto the light that's in there. But I connect the connector first and then slide this in. Alright, here we go. It just literally pops right in. Now, kind of just grab it and slide it into here first, because there's a notch right here that it slides into. And then you kind of just wiggle it in. See? Kind of just wiggle, jiggle. Line these up. Make sure that's lined up right there. And press down. Once you've kind of jiggled it in there, start putting in your three 10mm bolts. Oh yeah, whoops, that broke, I forgot. Fuck it. Anyways, just screw these in by hand before you start using them. There it is, and test it before you start to drive, just in case they don't work. This headlight was aftermarket but made for the GS, so the part numbers are different, but they're still completely compatible. I tried the blinkers from the GS to the RS and they weren't.